Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have one of these Bosch cordless screwdrivers, I absolutely love this thing. You're gonna need some extra batteries. So I picked up this this Bosch 12 volt. It's a 2 amp battery, basically equivalent to what usually comes with it. Well, let's open it up. If I can safely get it out of this container. Alright, there you go. So that's your battery, and it fits right in. So there you go. Excellent, good fit. And fits into the charger. We're going to put that in and get that charging. But yeah, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and with your extra Bosch batteries.